Hi, I'm Josh, and this is the WindFall Stand Tall for iDynamo 5. This is a great point of sale stand for iPad Air 1 and 2, featuring an integrated card swipe feature and a secure pivot accessory when in use with the pivot tack. Let me show you how to assemble and install it like we have here. Included in the kit is a partially assembled WindFall stand, 2 neck screws, your assembly tool, the pivot tack and cotter pin, 8 screw caps, 4 iPad Air 2 adapter clips, and 2 sets of feet. The first set of feet are the friction feet. We're going to use these if we don't want our stand to move. The second set of feet are the sliding feet. We're going to use these in combination with the pivot tack. You also need an iPad Air 1 or 2 and an Magtek iDynamo 5 card reader and its power cord. First step, let's install those missing neck screws. We're going to take our assembly tool and our secure Torx screws. We're going to lift the stand slowly into position, align the screw with our fingers, and get it started a little bit before we go at it with our assembly tool. Once we got it going a little bit, take your assembly tool and finish the job. And repeat the same step for the other side. Before completing the step, we're going to go ahead and check all 4 screws and make sure that they're nice and tight. Next, we're going to remove the front bezel of the stand. While disassembling the final 2 screws, be sure to keep your hand on the bezel to keep it from sliding down. Gently set your last screw aside and place the bezel gently down on the table. Next, you're going to take your stand and gently put it face down on the table to install the sliding feet in the 4 corners of the base as we've done here. The next step will be to remove your swipe guides. The stand ships with the swipe guides installed, but we're going to need to remove these in order to install our iPad. The bottom swipe guide has a small bevel. Please make note of this. So next step, we're going to thread our power cable through our stand. Notice that we've taken a 1/2-inch drill bit and drilled a hole in our table so that we could thread our power cord through our countertop. You're going to want to take your power cable, locate the pivot table hole in the base, and thread the power cable through. So locate the mouse hole in the back bracket and let your power cord rest there. Next, we're going to install our iPad Air 2 adapter clips. There'll be 4 small notches in the brackets that'll align with small notches in the clips to hold them in place. Now we're going to take our iPad Air 2 and place it in the stand. Be sure to note that our lightning port is on the right side of the stand where our iDynamo 5 reader is going to be installed. Next, we're going to reinstall our bezel. The last step will be installing our pivot tack. We suggest using the included cotter pin to secure the pivot tack. If the underside of your countertop is accessible to your customers, we suggest using a 1/4-inch shank padlock to secure your pivot tack, using the hole at the bottom. When installing your pivot tack, be sure to give your power cable some slack. And that's how you assemble and install your WindFall Stand Tall for iDynamo 5. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at service@hecklerdesign.com. Thanks for watching.